Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we had FOMC interest rate news tonight for the US dollar, which did cause a little bit of a spike reversal. Now, like I said this morning, it totally looks like a 1-2-3, and it looks like it could be a complete 1-2-3. The only thing preventing us from knowing that for sure is the break of structure that will confirm that. Even if it does break structure, which it looks like it wants to, it very likely is going to be a wave 4, which will be very similar to this wave 2, which is very, very overlapping and corrective, and then we would probably push up again for a wave 5. But honestly, if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, even though it looks like that is what it is, we have no proof whatsoever that that is what's going on. We have 5 waves up on the 1 hour. The only thing we know for sure is that these 5 waves are over. It could potentially bounce from a fib level. It could potentially continue the higher time frame uptrend. This break of structure right here is what's going to confirm to me that the wave 3 is complete on the higher time frames, which we definitely do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.